I'm Carson Cooper, Radio Margaritaville, Jimmy Buffett's radio station, which is on Sirius and XM now. And this is Sixstring music in this city, right here. You see it all. It's New Orleans. We're in the French Quarter, and this is where singer-songwriters like Thom and Shepard, my good friend, come every year to show off their great songs to a crowd that grows bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger every year. So you got to be here next year.
That's great.
Sixstring music 2010.
Thank you. That's good.
It's a songwriters invitational. It's a great time. It's in New Orleans. How much better does it get? You know, you get to hear the songwriters talk about the songs they wrote and the little stories behind them, and it's just wonderful.
Right. She said, I really don't think I'd like it all that much in Djibouti. I said, no, I heard it's pretty good in Djibouti. She said, but all my girlfriends said they hated it in Djibouti. I said, no, babe, the guy that cuts my hair said he loves it in Djibouti. Oh!
Just a conglomeration of a bunch of different musicians, mainly trop rock, but also we have some country, that people that come down here that love New Orleans, that love music. They just love to get together and have a great time.
I breathe in, I breathe out, sleeping all night with the windows down, up in the morning, stirring around, think about coffee and I hit on the town, work, all day long, bring it up, bring it on home.
It's a flock of parrot heads landing in French Quarter, New Orleans, and raising the roof. And all these crazy clubs down here. We're having a blast.
How could I assume you walk out of my dream? Shine your light on my sleeping heart, into my soul. How was I high to know?
Would you say that it's music that makes you want to drink?
Oh, definitely. Me by the water, somewhere, laid back, drinking, yeah.
Walking somewhere in between Jackson Square and Bourbon Street, holding your hand, we'll live it all again. Wandering among the coast of New Orleans. Now, what do you usually do when you go to Sixstring Music Festival?
We go to different venues and we see a lot of different songwriters and we hang out with our friends and we have a good time.
And what do you do while you're there?
What do we do?
Yeah.
We raise money. Drink and have a good time. And pretty much the whole time. If you're awake, you're drinking.
Yeah. Oh yeah! Trouble!
On the river when the water flows, silent as my soul. I scrambled up the mountainside and slipped through the brambles down below.
What do you come here for?
We're fun to meet people I made relationships
It's the chicks,
with over 6
isn't it?
years.
It's the chicks, just say it.
Okay, it's the chicks. It's the women. What else do you want? And I'm screwed now because of this one.
Well, I love it because I've been a sponsor for the last 5 years, been there to every one of them. And Sixstring is a place where you go and listen to songwriters, singer-songwriters, write their original stuff, typical tropical music. Once in a while we invite people up from Nashville like Thom Shepard or somebody like that, you know. But, you know, we'd like to keep it a little bit tropical with a little redneck built into it, like we do in the yacht club.
That's perfect.